What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing, for sure this time, the Hot Wheels Circuit Legend set. So I actually was able to secure a case of this, so let's go ahead and see if we got a chase. Now, a couple things to mention: that this one is double taped. It appears like it's double taped from the factory. That has been something that has been a huge problem with this mix. It seems like over 90% of cases, pretty much every hobby dealer is getting them in double taped, which means that the chase has probably been stolen from this if there was one in there. So there had better be at least 10 cars in here is all I can say. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I actually ordered this because I wanted a couple extra Ferraris, so I'm not too pressed about the lack of chase. I can already see one Ferrari poking out, but it is kind of a bummer that this has been such a problem with, looks like, employees at the Mattel factory just taking cars out of the cases. And I can already tell you that there are 2 reds right there, but at least we do have 10 cars here present. So let's go ahead, in case you've missed the other unboxing, and get these out and take a look at them. So let's start with the stinker. It's the Subaru BRZ Pandem. Yeah, not really a circuit legend in my opinion, not even on the drift circuit. So yeah, not great, not that cool. It is what it is. Let's move on. Next up we have the Mustang. Again, definitely cooler and definitely more of a legend on the drift circuit. I just don't like that they have drift cars appearing on circuit legends. We already have Slide Street, which is where drift cars belong. So I wish that circuit legend would be kept for more like traditional track cars and race cars. But yeah, these are looking good, solid. Next we have the Porsche 911 GT3R. Again, looking really, really good. Very solid. Again, a little disappointed in the deco itself. I think it could have been a little more interesting, a little more character to it, some numbers or something for sure, a little more sponsoring. I don't know. It's okay though, and the casting is phenomenal, as we've already seen. Next up, we've got the Porsche 917 KH. That card art is truly great. Like, it's almost worth having the extra set of this just to keep that card art, because it is so clean and so good looking. Casting itself, again, not my favorite casting, but that livery is phenomenal, and you really cannot go wrong there. And finally, the reason I got the case in the first place was more Ferraris. So again, no chase is a bummer, especially when it appears like I didn't actually have any real shot at getting the chase, since the case is factory taped. I did know the case was factory taped when I bought it though, so, you know, double taped I should say. It is what it is, but at the end of the day, I was more excited just to get a couple more of these. I wanted a replacement for the one I had already opened, because of that had a couple QC issues that were bothering me, and then I want to keep one carded because it's just so beautiful. So very, very excited about this. Guys, that is all I've really got for you. Just a quick little unboxing here of the case. Too bad we did not get a chase, but it is what it is. I'm still pretty happy with this. So let me know if you guys were able to get a case, and did you find a chase in yours, down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.